Yasha's World of Toys.
We're gonna open this, so I'll open it right now, and I'm gonna get the scissors here. So then now let's open it. This is hard. So let me open this. Help me open this. Here is the toy for a second. And now we're going. It doesn't even want to open. Okay. It doesn't want to open. Oh, it opened. Here it is. First, we're gonna get it out of the box. Here is what it looks like at the start. Ooh, it can spin. It can spin. No. Okay. Here is the toy in this. There's also a hole to get it out of. So, now let's get it out. I just broke it. It's in pieces. What am I gonna do? I just broke it. What am I gonna do? I think after this one, I have to fix it. Okay, but how do we do this? Oh, it's gonna sticky out. Has some holes. Oh. Huh? Now I don't get it. So now let's put it on. How, guys, if you have this toy and you know how to do this, please comment down below. Oh, I don't know how. Oh, the back. Okay, I get it now. Yeah, the back has a hole right there. So now let's get to doing this. So I lost my mind right now, and now here it is. So, I don't know what to do next. I don't know what to do next, so well done with this video. Please subscribe and like. Our score is 100 right now. And comment down below what we do with this. Comment down. Help me fix it though. Bye!